Hey YouTube, what's going on? Today I'm coming at you with two new packs that I just got from EB Games. Here, let me just use my phone one more time. The EV bundle with a Fione coin. I don't know if I said that right. And a Flareon, again with the coin. So we're gonna go ahead and open up these 6 packs and see what we got today. Alright, let me just throw this down. By throw, I mean gently place because it is an expensive phone. One Darkness Ablaze. 2 Darkness Ablaze. I really gotta invest in a new phone or a camera for this. 3 Darkness Ablaze, and then of course we have our Flareon. So we're gonna open up Flareon first, and we will see what we got. 1 second. I'm gonna put my phone down again. I'm so sorry for this bad quality. I get a camera and a plastic coin. So we have Clank, Mariani, I think is how you say it, Torchic, Scarly, Skullberry, Dsubi or whatever how you say his name, Emperos, Electric, Didney, Vibra, whoop. And the last one there was Corviknight, or Corvisquire. And I didn't realize this, but reverse holo, as you can see, Decidueye. Alright. Taking up this other one. So we have Pansage, Electric, Fletchling, Mr. Mime, Torchic again, Rowlet, Reverse Shiny, Slowbro V, that's pretty sick, Energy, Rose, Vanillish, Poltergeist. Okay. Second here, guys. Just moving these holos off to the side. And cleaning up here because there's a little bit of OCD's going on here. Last pack for the first box. Oh, my favorite. Piano, Jigglypuff, Dunsparce, Clank, again with the Mariani, Grim Triangle Shiny, Talonflame, Grass Energy, Simipour, Lunatone, and Clang. Code, another code, and for good measure, just to make sure, third code. I don't play the game online. I just simply don't have the time. Maybe in the future I will, but today I don't. Like these days I don't. Okay, I'm gonna open up the second box now. This is the Eevee box. Eevee's another one of my favorites. I only have 5 favorites. 6 if you're including Kanto. So there's the Charizard pack. There's the, I don't know who that is, Grimmsnarl. And I think this is, who is this? Eternus G-Max. Nope, I accidentally bent it. There's the Eevee. Just so you could see, he's like that now. Let me just close off this Microsoft thing it's asking for. Okay, well, that's not important. But yeah, there's the Eevee. And then if you want that, there's the code. Okay, so Snubble, Tauros, Rookity, Mr. Mime, Electric. Ooh. Okay, this guy, I don't know how to say his name. Arctovish, I think is how it is. Beartic. Dark Energy. Spike Mouth. Cape of Toughness. And Vibro. Vibro, whatever. And there's the code. Pinpore, Spinnerack, Bone Sweep, Dunsparce, Electrike, Reverse Holo Asiorglor, I think is how you say it, Delicati, Water Energy, Fluffy, Ariados, and then Familiar Bell, Bell, I did it again. Alright, can we pull a Charizard out of the Charizard pack? No, but we pulled another one of my favorites. So Deano again, and then Passamin, Bunnelby, Vanillite, Gothritha, Kaboo, Suicune, Shine Holographic, Jesus, I love that one. Have you guys ever played Crystal? Hunting down the 3 legendary dogs was a pain in the butt. Corvisquire, Lanatone, and Struggle Gloves. So that's it for this video, guys. I'm probably going to take about a 2-week break just to try and edit some of these and make them a little bit better. So bear with me. But these are the really good ones that I like that we got. as well as my Suicune. So, anyways, I will see you guys. I will see you guys in about a week, and take care of each other. Happy Thanksgiving, and stay safe out there. Remember to like, subscribe, and just leave a comment on what you want to see open next. What series of cards? Okay, I'm open to ideas. Just let me know. All right, have a good week, guys.